Fox 11 Investigates recently uncovered a mistake the Department of Veteran Affairs made years ago. Today, the VA said it will be picking up the cost to fix the error. Earlier this week, we told you about the case of Dale Daney. The Vietnam veteran died in 2001, and his death certificate listed hepatitis C as one of the causes of death. But the VA made a mistake. Daney never had hepatitis C. The VA admitted the error and promised Daney's widow, Donna, that it would fix it. But that also never happened. After 12 years and no results, Donna contacted Fox 11 Investigates. The VA promised to help fix the error once again. Donna is now in the process of getting an amended death certificate from the state. She was originally told that would cost her nearly $200. Today, the VA told Fox 11 that it will reimburse Daney for the cost of the new death certificate. Daney does have to fill out some paperwork, but she should have the payment in 6 to 8 weeks.